Allow me to introduce myself. I'm John Logie Baird, the eminent inventor.
So my name's Simon Dorr. I'm one of the creative producers here at OBX, which is the Creative Technology Hub, which is part of Hastings Commons in the Observer building here in Hastings.
I invented the first prototype of the television back in 1924. What do you think our world needs now in 2024? I mean, if you could invent anything at all, maybe to make the world a better place. Or just to make life more fun.
We just created this wonderful project called Invented Future, which is a video installation, a collaboration with over 50 local young people. And then working with a local animator, Isabel Garrett, and a sound artist, Isabel Anderson. The young people created these wonderful animations.
We really put it out to the participants. This can be anything that you want.
Taking inspiration from the work that John Logie Baird did 100 years ago, just down the road in Queen's Arcade, where his experiments led to the invention of television. And so we challenged them to think about what they would like to invent, what's the next big thing that they would like to see developed in the town.
I mean, if you could invent anything at all, maybe to make the world a better place. Or just to make life more fun.
We noticed that a lot of the participants at the beginning maybe were, even some were quite disengaged, because it is, it's asking a lot to kind of come up with this idea out of nothing.
To, by the end of the day, feeling immense ownership and pride and excitement about their idea. And just to see how, all it takes is to provide a space where that's okay and where that's valued, and where there isn't a test you have to take at the end of it, and there isn't an output that has to be a particular way to get a certain mark. It just is what it is. And I think that's a really, really important experience to offer people, especially today.